Assalamualaikum and greeting to our fellow friend and to our beloved lecturer, Puan Safiza. Today, our group would like to present about our database management system, which is TNG Car Rental in the scope of transport. I'm Muhammad Rafie Romzi, together with my friend.
And my name is Atalah Ariq.
My name is Mama Allam bin Omar.
My name is Badrul.
And my name is Haziq bin Rosali.
So let's get to know about what will be going to presented in this video. The first one is for 1.0 is project purpose. For the second topic is problem statement. For the third one is business rule. And next one is ERD diagram. And lastly is demo DML query. So now let's go to the first part of this presentation, which is the project purpose. The purpose or objectives from this project is to build an online rental system, or in other words, to apply a new car rental management system on an online platform using a database management system. Next objective is to build a web-based system, which is to produce a web-based system that allows customers to register and reserve cars online, and for the company to effectively manage their car rental business. And the last objective is to easy facility searching, which is customer task, including obtaining information about vehicle available whenever they need to rent a car. For the second part of this presentation is the problem statement. In our observation, we found out 4 problems that the user have to face. For the first problem is the service out of reach from remote user. The second is using manual records of management is inconvenient. The third problems is marketing scope are very limited to the local only. For the last problem is the data integration are not synchronized and unreliable.
Now, I'm going to explain about the solution to the previous problem statements. For the remote user, we will create an online-based system for them. This will enable the remote users to reach for company services no matter where they are. Document record. This will create a more manageable and easy way to modify any data that we key in or get rid of from the database. Better marketing, which means a wider potential to expand business due to unlimited boundaries of users. Correlated to the previous point of online-based system, this will create a more broad marketing services in every online platforms such as on YouTube, Instagram, and many more. Centralized data, where the data are centralized in one system, which is the database, and synchronized every time each data is added or removed from the database. Basically, every data that we do in the database is updated live. The next slide is about business rules, which is a statement that imposes some form of constraint on a specific aspect of the database. This slide has many statements. I'm going to list the business rules one by one. The first one, each branch can manage 0 or more rental bookings. Each rental booking can be managed by one and only one branch. The second one, each branch can be managed by one or more staffs. Each staff can manage for one and only one branch. The third one, each staff member can manage one or more bookings. Each booking can be managed by one and only one staff. The fourth one, each booking is for one and only one car. Each car can have one or more booking. The fifth one, each booking can have one and only one price. Each price can have one or more booking. Sixth one, each car can have one and only one price. Each price is for one and only one car. Seventh one, each car can have one and only one car category. Each car category can have one or more cars. That's all from me.
Going to explain more about our ERD. So in our ERD, we have 7 entities. For the parent entity, we have branch, price, car category, and customer. For the non-parent, we have staff, car, and booking. In the branch, we have PK, which is branch number, and follow it, there are attributes which is street and city. For the customer, we have PK, which is customer number, and the others attributes such as F name, L name, address, cell number, and email. For the price, we have invoice as a PK, and other attribute we got description, rent fee, late fee. And for the car category, we have PK, which is car cat, and another attribute which is car description. For the non-parent, in a staff, we have PK, which is staff number, and others attribute which is F name, L name, position, sex, DOB, salary, and one FK, which is branch number. In a car, we have PK, which is car number, and other attributes which is name, year, color, and we got one FK, which is car category. And for the last one, we have booking. In a booking entity, we have one PK, which is book number, and we got another and we got others attributes such as start date, due date, car number, and we have 4 FK in this booking entity, which is customer number, staff number, branch number, and invoice. So overall for our ERD, we have a relationship, but we got the same relationship, which is, as you can see in our diagram, we got all of them a weak relationship.
Okay, so we have a demo query like this. For example, we want to show the staff detail from the staff table, and we will type like select branch no F name, this symbol. This means we want to combine this column into one column. But we want to rename the column as staff's name, and we got the position, salary from staff, and the output will be branch number, staff's name, like what we have do, rename, and position and salary. Next is when we want to show car details with its category, we can type select car no as plate number. This means we want to rename the column, name as car model, color, car dash as type of car, and from car, join car category using car cat. Why we using join command here? Because actually what we want to show or what we want to view is from 2 different tables, and when we want to show from two different tables, we have to join so we can view in one table like this. And then when we want to show a staff that conducts IU booking, but we only know the name of the customer is IU. We don't know the staff number and we don't know the customer number of IU. So in this example, we using sub query. So we can type select star. This means we want to show all the column in the staff table, where in condition staff number in select staff number from booking, where customer no in select customer no from customer, where F name is IU. So how this statement will work? Customer table, we can see the IU is only appear here, and from this statement we got the customer number of IU, this one 000101, and from the 0001 we'll move into the booking table, where we search for the customer number that has 0001. So the first row and the second row from the last, and we got the staff number. So that means we got SG37 and SG14. From here we move into the staff table, and we search for the staff number that has the same staff number as the one that conducts IU in the booking table. So we got the SG37 and SG14, that is Tom Cruise and Tony Stark. So the output will be like this. And then when we want to show details of company assets car or the car of the company, we can use select Carno, name, car, color, car cat, car desk from car join, car category using car cat. This statement is like previously I showed. So we got the same output but with the different color name. This one we use default column name. Carno, name, color, car cat, and car description or car desk.
The next query will be showing the city of the branch where all staff are located. First, we will be selecting the branch number, city, F name, combining with L name and rename as staff name, and then position, salary attribute, which we get from the branch table, and then joining with staff table using the branch number reference. From the both table, we using the branch number. As the outcome, we'll be getting this table. We have branch number, city, staff name, and then position, and then salary. This is all the staff and the city where they work at. And then the second query is we'll be showing all the detail of the customer booking. First, we'll be selecting the branch number from the branch table and then combining first name and the last name rename with customer name. And then we have tel number, email, start date, due date, which we get from the customer table, and then joining with booking table represented as B using the customer number reference. From the both table, we can get an outcome of this table. We have branch number, customer name, tel number, email, start date, due date, reference from the customer number from the booking table, and then the customer number from the customer table. From this, we will get the outcome of the customer booking details. That's all from the query. Thank you for lending us your ear. Hope you enjoy.